Hi, in this video tutorial, I will show you guys on how you can sync your social commerce orders such as orders from WhatsApp and Line Commerce, Facebook and Instagram Shop, or even orders from Facebook Live to PayRecon. All you need is just to set up an EasyStore account and link to PayRecon. This time we will use WhatsApp Commerce as an example to show you how it works. So, let's jump right into it. First, we will explain on how to create a product in EasyStore and link it to PayRecon. Log in to your EasyStore account. Go to Products, and select the Add Product tab on the top right corner. It will require you to fill in all the product information. So, first I will fill up all this information before I show how we can link this product to PayRecon. I will get the product information from my Shopee Seller Center account and fill up all the necessary information. Adding its image, as well as its variants images. Fill up the variants information and settings. Once everything is done, click the Save tab on the top right corner. Now, this product is created in your EasyStore. Once again, we go back to Edit again. Select this to add in the variants images for different SKU. Next, fill in the quantity for each SKU under Inventory. After completed, click Save again. Once it was successfully updated, you may go to All Products. You will see that the new product that you have just added will fall in this area. Next, I will show how to link this product into PayRecon. First, log in to PayRecon. Go to Products, and then, select Add Product. Select Import Marketplace Product. Next, select EasyStore as the marketplace in your seller ID. Lastly, select Import Marketplace Product. Hence, as you can see, the first three products are the one that I have created just now. Tick all three of them and proceed to Import Selected. As you can see, now their status has changed to Imported in green. Next, go to List Products. From here, you will see that now the products from EasyStore have been linked to PayRecon. Now, I will show how WhatsApp orders will be synced to PayRecon through EasyStore. First, you need to link your WhatsApp account to your EasyStore. Once it is linked, you can see it under the Channels tab. Select WhatsApp Channel. Here, it will display your WhatsApp's display name and mobile number. Next, I will need to add the potato crisps product that I have just created in EasyStore into my WhatsApp order form. Select the title, and then select Choose Product. Tick the latest created product and select Add Product. Now, the new product has been added into the WhatsApp order form. Next, select Save. After that, you may copy this WhatsApp form link and send it to your customer who had contacted you in WhatsApp and is interested in buying your product. This link will bring them to your product catalog. For instance, customer can fill in their information here and select the product they want and click Buy Now. Next, customers need to fill in their shopping address. Select the preferred shipping method. This is the order summary. And then, customers can choose the preferred payment method here. This payment method can be set by the seller in their EasyStore account. So, once the customer had confirmed the payment, he or she can proceed to select Place Order Now. Now, the order has been created. Scroll to the bottom will display the bank detail of the seller. Since bank transfer was chosen as the preferred payment method just now, customers will need to bank in the payment to the seller's bank account first and attach the receipt here as proof of payment and click Submit. As the seller, you can go back to your EasyStore account. Under Orders tab, you can see that there is a new order that came in a few seconds ago. Once you have clicked on the order, you can see the order details. You will also be able to see the receipt under the attachment. Once you have verified that the customer had paid, you could select Mark as Paid. Let us go to PayRecon first to see if that order also came into PayRecon. Select Orders and then select Scan or Bulk Upload. Select EasyStore as the marketplace. As you can see that the particular order also came into PayRecon already and you can see that the status is unpaid. Therefore, you need to go back to EasyStore and select Mark as Paid. Then, type in the payment method to confirm. Next, as you see here, the transaction was created. Now you can go back to PayRecon and that order will now be shown as paid. Thus, you can now process the order and click Add Tracking Number. You can select the shipping provider and fill in the tracking number that you have gotten from the courier service. You can also process the order in EasyStore. Select Mark as Fulfilled, and confirm the order. Next, fill in the courier service and tracking number details. Then, update tracking info. Once it is updated, it will show that this order has been processed. The payment status will show paid, and the fulfillment status will show fulfilled. Now you can go back and refresh your PayRecon page. You will see that the order just now under paid section has been moved to completed. You may proceed with printing carrier manifest and the inventory will be automatically deducted. The benefit of processing your order in PayRecon rather than EasyStore is because seller can use PayRecon inventory to control their stock movement. Once a product is sold, the latest quantity will be automatically synced to your other online stores such as your Shopee and Lazada shops. You can always see the latest quantity of your stock in PayRecon and restock it in time before running out. Besides, PayRecon also can synchronize with other accounting software to auto-pass invoices from the orders of your online stores to accounting software and do knock-off payment and as well as create credit note. For those who are interested in this, you may watch our existing accounting integrator videos. So, this is how you can sync your WhatsApp orders to PayRecon through EasyStore. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.